Today I'll show you how to block an email address on Yahoo Mail. This method will help you to reduce your spam, the amount of spam that you are receiving on Yahoo. So let's say in a random situation, let's pick this email from TikTok, and let's assume that I want to block this email address. But from here you can see the email address that sent you this email. Let's copy their email address, select that, right click, then press on copy. Then what you have to do, here on the right side you can find settings and the gear icon, press on it, go down and press on more settings. Now a new menu popped up, and here you can locate at security and privacy blocked addresses. Let's press on add a new one, and here at the address let's press on it, right click and paste that email that we copy. Or if you didn't receive an email but you want to block a specific email address on Yahoo, press again on add, and let's just make one example at gmail.com, press on save. Another email has been blocked, press on add again, example 2 at yahoo.com, hotmail or whatever, press on save, and now all three emails were been blocked. And if you want to unblock an email, you can press on this trash bin icon. So this is how to block a specific email address on Yahoo Mail, which will significantly help you out to reduce your spam problem.